For this project, you will need an SDX Sniper toolkit and a ball bearing press. Grab your Sniper Evo Air front hub, grab the 2 press tool front wheel bearings Evo Air, and a rubber hammer. Remove the titanium bolts on both sides. Then remove the end caps on both sides. Take one of the titanium bolts and screw it in the inner axle a little, so that you can knock out the inner axle with the bearing. Do the same on the other side to knock out the bearing there too. Now the front hub is disassembled, so now we can reassemble it. Insert the bearing on one side and use the 2 press tools for front wheel bearings to press the bearing into the hub shell. Place the bearing on the inner axle and insert it into the hub shell. Then use the 2 press tools to press the bearing with the inner axle into the hub shell. Replace the 2 end caps on both sides. Screw the 2 titanium bolts back into the inner axle. Your Sniper Evo Air front hub is now complete and ready for use.